In the last video about WordPress, you learned how to set up your account. In this video, you'll learn how to set up pages. You should start by going to Wordpress.com and then logging in. If you set up a blog, as was shown in the last tutorial, you should find it when you first log in. Just click on the blog's name. When you first log into your blog, you'll see it the way it appears to people when they visit. You'll see that it's got the standard theme, and there's not a whole lot that you control yet because you haven't done anything. So here's what you need to do. Near the upper left-hand corner of your browser, you've got your account, and you've also got your dashboard. The dashboard is for changing settings on your blog, so click on My Dashboard. Now you're at the control center for your blog. On the left-hand side, you can see dashboard choices. You can see that you're at the basic dashboard. There might be some new announcements that pop up. You'll see how many posts you have, how many pages you have, how many categories you have, a lot of different things that you'll learn more about. But for now, I want you to add some pages to your blog. So go along the left-hand side and scroll down until you find Pages. Click on Pages. You should have one page called About that was already added when you created your blog. Click on the About page. The first thing I want you to do is to change the name. Instead of just calling it About, call it About Me. This is where you can write something about yourself. You don't need to change anything right now, but when you get a chance, this is where you'll write a brief biography about who you are. Once you're happy with the change you've made, click on the Preview Changes. This will open up a new tab in your browser, and you'll be able to see how the new page appears. You notice now, instead of just About, it's called About Me. And the list along the side, it says Pages, and you have one page called About Me. Keeping that tab open, move back to your original tab, click on it, and you should be back to your dashboard. What I'd like you to do now is add a couple of more pages. So move back down to the Pages menu and click Add New. For the title of this page, type Welcome. And this time, instead of previewing, click on the Publish button. Go up to the tab of your preview of your site, click on it, and then refresh the page. You can do this by holding down Command and pressing R, or on Windows, Control R. Now when you look at the page About Me, you'll notice on the right-hand side there's another page called Welcome. Go back to your Dashboard tab, move back down to the Pages menu, click Add New, and this time type the title Projects. Go ahead and click on Publish. Go ahead and click on your Preview tab, refresh the page, remember, Command R or Control R. And now look at your page list and you should see the new page Welcome. Return to your Dashboard tab and now scroll down the left, and instead of clicking on Add New Page, click Edit. You should see all three pages that you've created. You've changed About to About Me, created a Projects page, created a Welcome page. For now, we're not going to worry about the content. Instead, I want you to think about the appearance of your overall blog site. So go to the left on your dashboard, scroll down to where it says Appearance, and click. This will bring you to the Manage Themes area. We'll show the current theme, and down below you can browse different themes. You'll start with random themes. You can search by alphabetical order, or you can choose popular ones. I'm going to search by popular. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and take a look at the different themes. There's quite a few to look through. The one I'm going to choose is called Misty Look. I can preview it, and we'll show how my blog appears using Misty Look. If I don't like it, I can click on the X, return to Manage Themes, and pick another look. But you know what? I've decided to choose Misty Look. So I'm going to click Activate. It now shows that my current theme is Misty Look. And if I want to preview it, I'll go back to my Preview tab. And once I'm there, I'll have to refresh the page, Command R or Control R on Windows, and now my blog appears with the new theme, Misty Look. Once you're happy with your theme, return to your Dashboard tab, and now on the left-hand side of the page, click on Pages. Notice you have 3 pages: About Me, Projects, and Welcome. Go back to your Preview tab. Make sure you hit Refresh, Command R or Control R on Windows, and take a look at the tabs that you have representing the pages. In mine, I've got About Me, Projects, and Welcome, but I also have a Home Page tab. When I click on Home, it's showing a blog post. I don't want that, and I want you to change your site too. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up with just 3 main pages. And here's how to do it. So return to your dashboard, scroll down until you see Settings. Under Settings, look for Reading. Click on Reading. Once you're at Reading, you'll see that the front page displays your latest post. We're going to change that. We're going to make it show a static page. And the front page we're going to select will be your welcome page. Once you've selected that, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Return to your Preview tab and click Refresh. Now notice when you're on the Home tab, it's your welcome page. If you click Welcome, it's the same page. You have a different About Me page, you have a different Projects page. But now we have 2 pages that have the same information, and we want to get rid of this welcome page. So here's how we're going to do it. Return to your dashboard and click on Pages, and then click on your welcome page. Go all the way to the right-hand side, and underneath where it says Attributes, look for where it says Parent. Underneath Parent, pull down and choose to make this page part of About Me. And then click the Update tab. Once the page has been updated, refresh it. You'll notice the welcome page disappears, but if you click on Home, we still see that that's our welcome page. But here's something else that's happened. If you go to where the list of pages is, you'll see that Welcome appears underneath About Me. Let's make Welcome disappear completely. Back on the dashboard, we want to go back down to where it says Pages and click on Edit. This will show us our entire list of pages. We want to see Welcome. Here's where it gets tricky. As you can see, I can see the Welcome page up here. I want you to be looking down to this bottom section of the screen as I float my cursor over Welcome. Here I am floating over Welcome, but back at that bottom section of the screen, see how it reads Post equals 15 ampersand action. Remember the number 15. What I need you to do is to figure out what that number is for your page. So whatever that number is for your welcome page, know what that number is. Mine happens to be 15. Now remember the number we found when we floated over welcome. You have to find your own number. Mine happens to be 15. Now I want you to go over on the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on where it says Appearance. Underneath Appearance, you should now see where it says Widgets. Click on Widgets. Widgets let you customize the way that your blog works and how you can see things. If you look to the right-hand side, there's an area called Sidebar. When you want to add a widget, you just click on it and drag it over to the sidebar. And here's the widget I want you to look for. Scroll down the list till you see one called Pages. Click and drag Pages over to your sidebar. That's going to be a little hard for you to see on mine because I'm a little bit out of the area, but I'm going to click on Pages and drag it up until it goes into my sidebar area. And you can see now that it's in my sidebar. Now here's what I need to do. I need to go down here where it says exclude and type in the number of that page. Mine was 15. You have your own number for your welcome page. Then click on Save. Once that's done, return to your preview. Okay, back on the preview of your site, I haven't refreshed yet, and I can see underneath Pages I still have a welcome page listed, although under my tabs the welcome doesn't show because now the welcome is my home page. So let me go ahead and refresh this page, which I just did, and notice now I don't have welcome appearing under About Me anymore. I can click under About Me, and the page has disappeared. This is pretty advanced stuff. So if you haven't figured it out, review this video and end up with just 3 tabs: Home, About Me, and Projects. And on the side, show only 2 pages.